Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play red light, green light in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. First, navigate to the Custom Games menu. Choose a map that offers open spaces, like a large multiplayer map, to allow for clear movement and visibility. Next, you'll need to adjust the game mode settings to facilitate the rules of red light, green light. This typically involves setting up a free-for-all or team deathmatch with specific adjustments. Now, let's define the roles. One player will be designated as IT, acting as the caller. All other participants are runners. The IT player will face away from the runners and call out green light, allowing runners to advance. When red light is called, the IT player turns around. Any runner still moving must be eliminated by the IT player. During green light, runners should try to get as close as possible to the IT player's starting line. Remember to stop all movement immediately when red light is called. The IT player will be actively looking for any slight movement from the runners. If a runner is caught moving, they are eliminated from that round. The goal is to reach the IT player without being caught. The round concludes when a runner successfully reaches the IT player without being eliminated. That winning runner then becomes the new IT for the next round. Strategic movement and precise timing are key to success. Always ensure clear communication among players to maintain fairness and maximize the fun in your custom red light, green light game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.